Get ready for a tangy and comforting adventure with every spoonful of lemon chicken and rice soup. First, we need some chicken. Make sure it's boneless, skinless, and absolutely terrified. Then grab a lemon, but please no squeezy or sad faces. Add some rice, because who wants soup without a grainy surprise? Oh, and don't forget the carrots and celery to give it some color. Now cook it all up, simmer it nice and slow. Lemon chicken and rice soup ready to go. Boom. This delightful medley of flavors will have your taste buds doing a happy dance.